This is a video of how to update the maps on a Toyota Avalon. My Avalon is a 2016 Touring, so basically what I have, the version of the map that I have is from 2015. So if we go to apps, then navigation, this map over here is the 2015. So when I got this car recently, they gave me a SD card that goes over here, right? Which, by the way, is really tough to open this bracket. So the date of the map is 2015. The first step is to see which version we have, right? So let's go to the navigation application. Options should be here. Map information. Okay, it's just map data is here. So we can see that the version is 5/35/51, but the date is 2015, right? So let's go back, and what I'm going to do is to install this little boy over here, which I got from Amazon for something like $37 or $40, something like that, because I was researching for updating this map with Toyota. I went to the Toyota website, and basically the same SD card was around $150. So I said, yeah, no way I'm gonna pay that for that. So I was researching and found this SD card with good reviews. It's a 2020 map update. So the first step is to remove the current SD card, and for that we need to shut down the car. So power off the car. Let's see if I have some luck, because this is really tough. Okay, so I was able to open it really easy this time. Last time it was not that easy. So we can see that the SD card is right there. Let's just press that. Let's remove the SD card. Okay, it's right here. And let's install the new SD card. So let's see if it is this way. It's not this way, so it should be this way. You see? Let me try again. Okay, so it fits perfectly. Right there. That's it. And now, let's turn on the car to see what happens. New software was found. New software is ready for update. Park your car in a safe location and turn the engine off to complete the update. Okay. I turn the engine on. So right now it's installing the new software. Please keep the media inserted and do not turn off the engine. So basically, right now it should be installing the maps, the update of the maps. So basically, we just need to wait for this and then see if we have a new version of the maps. So the process is almost done. Let's see what happens now. Let's wait for that. Software update has been finished successfully to version 0101A0. Touch and restart. I hope everything goes smoothly. Let's see what happens now. Alright, so let's go to options, data, and there we go. So I have a maps on the navigation application on the Avalon, this case 2016 updated to 2020. Now, when doing this, you have to be careful because that map update will not work for every Avalon, right? So this is a 4th generation Avalon, which is, if I remember correctly, from 2013 to 2018 years of the Avalon. That should work, but you should, if you go ahead and you will trying to do something like this, you have to verify that it's compatible with the generation and the year number of your Avalon. Okay, so that should be it. I can go back, navigation, and I should have the updates to the places where I live and different places over the US, because this map is US only. So that should be it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.